Okay, this is the mobility and physics tab where I'm gonna drop down. As you can see, I'm gonna go first the yellow cube. Bring bring this up to details panel. As you can see, stimulate physics. The mass is 10, linear dampening is 20, angular dampening is 0, and there is no gravity applied to the yellow cube. Now let's go to the white cube. As the same, stimulate physics. However, the mass is 100, the linear dampening is 10, angular dampening is 5, and there is gravity applied to this one. But as the rock cube there is 1500 mass to it, and linear dampening is 0, angular dampening is 10, and there is no gravity applied to this one. Let's go ahead and hit play. And at first, I'm going to move into them and then shoot them. This is the white cube. And the yellow cube. Oh, that one's gone. So I might as well, and then the rock cube I'm going to have to shoot. Oh, it actually moves. Wow. Okay. I'm just going to blast this one out of space. Oh, that one's just gone. And then, okay. Alright, moving on to the collision settings. Um, you can see on the world outliner, I have labeled them collisions. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different boxes or 4 different podiums. And let's go to the first box. So let's bring that up, which is where, as you can see, the mass is 100, linear dampening is 20, angular dampening is 0, and there is gravity applied. And it's set to block all with world static. And you can see block all. So you can see it blocks bullets, and then I'm able to run into this. The next cube will be a stone cube, and its mass is 100. The linear dampening is 0. Angular dampening is 0. There is no gravity being applied, and it is set to custom, and it's a world static with both collisions and physics applied to it, with only being it's block all, but only the pawn is being ignored. So I should be able to shoot this. So I'm able to shoot it, but I'm not able to walk. Okay. The third cube is a multicolored cube where the mass is 50, the inner dampening is 40, the angular dampening is 10, and it is enabled gravity on each one of these boxes. The collision settings is set to custom with both query and physics enabled, but just like unlike the other one, it's block all but the projectile. So the projectile should be able to go through. And it goes through. However, I should be able to push it like now. Alright, the last cube is a water cube. The mass is 70. Linear dampening is 20. Angular dampening is 20 with gravity applied. The collision system is custom with both query and physics applied, and the object type is a pawn, but it is mostly ignore, other than it's to ignore everything, so both the pawn and the bullets. So I should be able to just shoot and walk through this. I'm able to shoot through it and walk through it. Okay, so let's open our enemy characters. Go to S-Mine and S-Mine Blueprint. Already you can see the event graph, which allows us to blow up, as well as the viewport. Alright, I'm gonna click play and shoot each one. I actually moved the spawn closer. This one should be block everything. Okay. Now this one should block the bullet, but not me, so it should blow up as well. And this one should block me, but not the bullet. As you can see, I already shot it, but I'm not able to walk into it and explode. However, if I were to shoot this one, it'll go through, and I'm also able to walk over it. The event graph for the missile, construction script, nothing there. The viewport for said missile. Okay. Exit out of that, as well as the AI. Nope. Oh, there you go. The AI's event graph, viewport, as well as the construction. Okay. Alright, for the rocket. For some odd reason, it's not moving forward, but it explodes when I walk into it. I'm not sure. It was working earlier before recording this video, but